never force people to follow you. Anong kailangan gawin? You just need to be the model and then they will follow suit naturally. Yung bang ipakita lang natin ano ang tama, ipakita natin yung maganda, ipakita natin yung kaaya-aya, ipakita natin yung ideal, then these people will follow us.
We create life-changing online, on-demand classes that empower people to become the best version of themselves, help them gain confidence, and turn their passion into profit. I just watched this last week sa interview ni Donald Lim. Your 9-to-5 job will pay your bills, but what you do from 5 to 9 will build your dreams.
If we are adhering to be a standard leader, what we need to see is to get these people multiply and let them also be a standard leader. By doing so, ito lang tandaan nyo, yung tatlong bagay na yan, dito ang totoong pataasan ng ihe. Kasi pag mataas, yung nakikita nating leadership narratives natin, then you will see, feeling in, embedding that integrity, that humility and inspiration, you will see a lot of standard leaders amongst your group, amongst your community, amongst your organization.
Let's stand up! Woo!